Hello, my name is Tyrone, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Tvizion on your Fire Stick. You can enjoy over 500 channels, including all sports, all premium channels, and all pay-per-view channels for only $49 a month. If you like this video today, please visit my website, tvizion.com/free/42073 for your free 5-day trial. Once again, it's Tvizion, TVIZION.com/free/42073 for your free 5-day trial. We will not ask you for personal information, no emails, no credit cards, but we want you to try it out. Unlike cable and dish network, Tvizion doesn't cost, it pays you. No credit checks, no contracts. You're not happy? Don't pay the bill next month and you're fine. You sign up 5 friends, earn $10 per month, your Tvizion is free. Do the math. Sign up 50 people, $500 a month. Sign up 1,000 people, $10,000 per month. If you don't want to make extra income, that's fine. But once you try the 5-day trial out, you will really like it. Do you travel a lot? What's great about Tvizion is that you can take it with you. It works on all iPhones, Androids, as well as all Macs and Windows computers. The setup is extremely simple. Look at the screen. All you have to do is install Downloader. Then after you apply for the 5-day free trial, within 25 minutes or so, you get the password. Download Tvizion, install your 6-digit, 5-digit password. That's all you do. Now, once it's installed, this is your home screen. In the middle, you can see I'm watching a basketball game right now. To the right, you see the time, the city you live in, the weather, and the temperature. Right now, TV is up. Let's look at TV. Okay, this is first view. You can scroll here to look for more channels. Click again. Here you go, all your channels. Let's go up to the top. English, all your English channels. Sports, let's look at sports. You see Fight Night, NHL, NBA, wrestling, NFL, there's golf, NBA TV, Pac-10, Major League Baseball. It's all here. Okay, you want some Spanish channels? We have over 55 Spanish channels. USA channels, 4 pages. Disney, USA, TV Land. We have UK channels, Filipino channels. It's all right here. Now, if you don't like looking at this type of layout, press the 3 bars on your Fire Stick. Now, you have this programming, which will show you as you scroll down. Look to the left, ESPN, NFL. All your channels are right here. Keep going and you'll see more and more and more. I mean, unbelievably, it's truly over 500 channels. There you go. Look to your left, see all those channels you have that you're probably overpaying for right now? It's all right here. Let's go back. Let's look at on demand. I love on demand. Click here. Now, you look on the bottom, 1,300 pages or 25,000 different movies, TV shows, reality, everything is right here. Let's go up. That's all. Let's look at new releases. And as you watch a movie, it says watch. and just scroll over. Pacific Rim, just left the movies. That was there. Terminal. Here's another good movie. 1517 to Paris. Black Panther. We received that about 2 weeks prior to the DVD release date. TV shows, you're a bin watcher. This is a place for you. It's all in alphabetical order. From start to finish, everything is here. My show is Blind Spot. Let's look at Blind Spot for a second. On the bottom says Season 3, Episode 22. Here you go. Season 1, Episode 1. If you want to binge watch, this is the place for you. You will not miss a show. This Portuguese channels. Action. 39 pages of action movies. For the kids, we have family. Over 24 pages of family. We have comedy. Classic movies. Feeling old school. A Ferris Bueller's Day Off. It's all right here. Police Academy. Who's not seen Police Academy? It's all here for you. Thrillers. You want to watch thrillers. You want to be afraid. You want to watch horror. It's all right here. Now, we have tons and tons, 19 pages of romance romance movies. Drama. Sci-fi, Christmas movies, and even pay-per-view events. Remember, take advantage of this 5-day free trial. We will not once again ask for personal information. All we ask is you give our 5-day free trial a chance. That's all I have for now. I am Ty. Once again, you can email me at tvision.com/free/27043. Once again, it's Tvision, TVIZION.com/free/27043. Thank you. And once you try Tvision, you will wonder how come you did not do it sooner. That's all for now. Ciao.